Well, welcome back to Steve Rob Reviews. Today we're doing some fancy welding. Take a look at this here. This is a coat rack. You can see right off the bat here, the antlers just won't stay up. And if you take a good look in there, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, right in there, some ass crack went and drove a whole bunch of deck screws in there to fix that. And I don't know why I did that. But I'm going to fix it now, and I'm going to weld this baby right up. You can't go redneck on stuff like this. If you want to fix redneck, you go ultra redneck. Let's go ultra redneck. I'm going to show you how you fix this right now with a welder. Okay, so here we go right here. You can see the screw down here. I got the antler all set up in the right spot. And yeah, these are all loose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with this one here. And yeah, this is all powder coated, so I'm hoping that this screw here actually makes a ground for me. So let's get to it. Let's get at her. Okay, I got my welder turned down as low as it'll go. And I mean, this is a little bit too big of a welder for this little job here. But I'm going to see if it'll make it. It's not even going to probably fire off of that. But I'm just going to stab it anyways, just for the hell of it. Here we go. Yeah, that's not doing nothing there. We're going on to plan B. Okay, that's how you do it right there, guys. I got her all lined up. Plan B. Here we go. Okay, that's not doing good either. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking my ground down there is no good. Let me just grind that ground down the bottom of that antler, and we'll see if we can get this done. Give me a minute here. Okay, I got that antler done. Let's try this again. I'm going right for it. Oh, we got some action going on there. You ready? That's a nice little ticky-tacky there. I can take this off now. Just going to move her on to the other side. Let's see if I can get that. There we go. Okay, I'll finish off the rest of them and I'll show you what it looks like. Well, there you are right here. Look at this, guys. The antlers are all tacked up. It's as easy as that. Only took a half a beer. And you know what? It doesn't get no better than this. Welder comes in handy. You want to go redneck? Go ultra redneck, and you know what? You get this done in like a half a beer. And if you guys never seen any fancy welding in Canada, I got a whole series on welding in Canada. I'll put a link down below to my playlist for welding in Canada. You can just a wealth of knowledge, guys. Just a wealth of knowledge. Okay, so that's pretty well it for the day. My job is done. Thanks for joining me here today. If you guys enjoyed this, come back again. If you haven't seen this channel before, well, you're welcome to subscribe and come back for more. Cheers.